Welcome, my little wiggle worms. Thank you for coming back to Storytime Wiggles with Tim. Today's interesting story, Doing My Chores. And this I'm giving credit to www.monkeypen.com. Thank you very much for this wonderful story.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle worm. Come along and have some fun. In the garden, in the dirt, wiggling around with a happy squirt.
I like doing my chores. Do you have any chores to do? I have chores. Sometimes I like to do them, sometimes I don't. Well, maybe not all of them, but most of them. I know how she feels. She has a lot to pick up in her room. Maybe not most of them, but a lot of them. I feel the same. Okay, maybe not a lot of them, but a few of them. Well, maybe not a few of them, but none of them? No, you can't do no chores. You have to do some chores. Just fooling. I really do like doing my chores. Oh, that's good. When I do my chores, it helps my mommy and daddy. And as you know, mummies and daddies sometimes need a lot of help. Do you like to help your mommy or daddy do some things around the house? I'm sure it makes them very happy. And do they ever say, "Great job"? Right? When I do my chores, it makes me feel important. And I like to be important. Don't you? Yes, being important is a very good feeling, right? Look, they're in the bathroom. They're fixing the paper holder. Very good. Sometimes I have chores that I do not like to do. When that happens, I make up a silly game and that makes the chores easier. Wow, that's a good idea. So maybe she's washing the dishes and singing a song, "I like to sail on a boat today," or something like that. Do you sing when you do chores? And do you ever try to wash the dishes? I bet mom and dad would be happy. Like yesterday, I had to put my laundry away, and I pretended that I was hiding it from my mom. It was fun, and I think I remembered where I put it. So she's hiding all of her clothes. Just fooling. It is in my dresser where it belongs. That's where your clothes go, right? Do you have clothes in your dresser? Sometimes, when all my clothes are done, we go to the park or have other special time. Well, that's good, right? I mean, if you get all your chores done, you have some free time. Yes. Oh, he says, will we ever get done? I don't think he enjoys doing his chores. I know if my chores weren't done, we wouldn't be able to do that. So you see, she knows that we need to get our chores done. So be important and have some fun. Do your chores until they're done. Oh, I like that. She sings while she does it. Thank you, Wiggle Worms, for coming to Storytime with Tim. Today's cool book was Doing My Chores. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe and please share this video to all of your friends and keep coming back because it makes me very happy. Please share this book with your friends and families to help support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe.